Okay, that LCD back there. A load of wiring under there somewhere, around there somewhere. All hooked up to an Arduino, and the other end is back there somewhere. So if I find it USB, connect that. That's the Arduino ready. So if I start the LCD for Linux thing, there we go. That bit. Alright, let's load a couple of bits. There you go. If I scroll back and forth.